Okay, this is the CPU chip, which stands for Central Processing Unit, and it tells everything what to do in the computer and takes care of all the functions of the computer. This is the heatsink, which cools down the computer when it gets too hot. And as you can see, it has little waves and gaps that the air goes through to keep it cool. That is the RAM memory card, which stands for Random Access Memory, and a typical computer has 4 gigabytes of RAM memory. This is the video card, which helps the GPU take care of the graphics in the computer. And as you can see, it is bigger than the RAM memory. Basically, it just takes care of the graphics, and whenever the GPU cannot handle everything.
Upload already? It's sending it right now. Just kind of set that up. There's the wireless right there, so that's pretty cool.
This is the motherboard, this whole thing, and it basically you put everything in it, and it contains the different parts, and it's the system of the computer where you put everything and it just controls the computer. Like, you couldn't have a computer without the motherboard.
Okay guys, 2 days.
This is the power supply, and it feeds the DVD disc, the CD-ROM, and the hard drive, and the motherboard. You just plug it in, and it gives power to the computer and all of the different parts.
You're gonna have a test on a Monday than a Friday?
As you can see, he is plugging it in here, plugging it into the hard drive, which is right there, the hard drive basically stores gigabytes of memory in the computer, and the average is about 500 gigabytes. So that is just your main memory source, and it is permanent storage.
Disk drive.
This is the disk drive where you put in your CDs or discs to watch on the computer, and it is plugged into the motherboard to get power from the power supply.
They don't have to be that big. Make it that big. I mean, Office Depot has them.
Okay, as you can see, he's holding the plug to put in. And it fits in perfectly right there. That white cord is plugged into the hard drive from the power supply.
The disk drive.
Oh wait, that's it.
And now,
excuse me, that is the disk drive.
The power source is giving power to the disk drive, the hard drive, and the motherboard.
Exactly, it's giving power to hard drive and everything on the motherboard. And finally, this is the internet cable.
Ethernet cable.
Ethernet.